Hello friends! Today we're going to read Dog's Colorful Day together, and this time I'm going to ask you questions about the story. If you need help, you can ask your mom or your daddy to help you answer them. But I want you to try to say the answers out loud or by pointing at the pictures all by yourself. Dog's Colorful Day with questions. Here's our title page. It has the name of the story, Dog's Colorful Day, and the person who wrote it, Emma Dodd. This is Dog. As you can see, Dog is white with one black spot on his left ear. What type of animal is in this story? Very good. The story's about a dog. At breakfast time, Dog sits under the table, as usual. Splat! A drip of red jam lands on his back. Where is Dog sitting? He's sitting under the table. Good job. Now Dog has two spots. After breakfast, Dog runs outside. He slips past the man painting the front door. Splish! His tail dips into the blue paint. Now Dog has three spots. What happened to Dog's tail? It dipped in the blue paint. Good work. Dog runs to the park and rolls on the grass. Squash! The grass makes a green stain on his white coat. Where is Dog now? He's at the park. Now Dog has four spots. Dog follows a little boy eating chocolate. Squish! What is the boy eating? He's eating chocolate. Good job. The boy gives Dog a chocolatey pat, but no chocolate. Now Dog has five spots. How many spots does Dog have now? He has five spots. A bee buzzes up to see what is going on. Swish! The bee drops yellow pollen as it flies by. Can you point to the bee in the picture? There he is. The bee is what colors? He's yellow and black. Now Dog has six spots. Dog trots on through the park. Splosh! A drop of pink ice cream lands on his right ear. What dropped on his ear? Very good. It was pink ice cream. Now Dog has seven spots. Time to go home. Dog runs up the street and splash! A bouncing ball splatters Dog with gray mud. What splattered Dog with the gray mud? The ball did. Nice work. Now Dog has eight spots. In front of the gate, Dog steps on a carton of orange juice. Splurt! A patch of orange appears on his leg. Now Dog has nine spots. Where is the orange spot? It's on his leg. How many spots does Dog have now? He has 9 spots. Nice job. Dog races back inside the house and knocks right into Vicky. Who did he knock into? He knocked into Vicky. Silly Dog. Vicky's purple marker leaves a smudge on Dog's head. Now Dog has 10 spots. Let's count the spots together. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vicky looks more closely. Dog has, can you find the pink spot? Here it is, a pink drop of ice cream. Can you find the green spot? A green stain of grass. Can you find the purple spot? A purple smudge of ink. Can you find the blue spot? A blue blob of paint. Can you find the red spot? A red spot of jam. Can you find the gray spot? A gray splatter of mud. Can you find the black spot? Of course, a black spot on his left ear. Can you find the brown spot? A brown smear of chocolate. Can you find the orange spot? An orange splash of juice. Last one. Can you find the yellow spot? A yellow patch of pollen. Nice work. You guys are so good. You need a bath, dog. Why does dog need a bath? He was dirty. That's right. He needs to be clean. When dog climbs into bed, he has just one black spot on his left ear. What do you think dog is going to do in his bed? He's going to sleep. Very nice. Good night, dog. What a colorful day you've had. Look, he's dreaming of bones. Thank you for reading with me, friends.